Good day, today we will learn how to create database in SAMP. After setting up the SAMP, choose the guestbook database and choose a suitable name for the database input field. After creating your name in the database, click Create. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, choose the SQL tab and enter the following code. And now, select the Insert tab. Enter the value for each column for each data record that will be added. After that, click Browse to display all existing records in the table. In this part, it will show the database you have already created.